Watch AI create a social media performance dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Social media metrics across platforms. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file into Brix. The import completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Brix AI is analyzing our social media data, understanding the relationships between impressions, engagement rates, and platform performance. It's automatically generating the perfect visualizations, trend charts showing impressions over time, engagement breakdowns by platform, and performance comparisons. The AI creates 6 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables, building our complete social media performance dashboard with 0 manual work. Dashboard generation complete. We can instantly customize the theme with a single click for the perfect look. Now, let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. In presentation mode, everything becomes full screen and interactive, perfect for client meetings or executive reviews. The dashboard transforms into a professional presentation while maintaining all interactive capabilities. We exit presentation mode and can scroll through our comprehensive analytics, exploring every insight our AI generated. Try Brix today and transform your data workflow.